In this video, I'll show you how you can build the correct items in League of Legends. Now, when you queue up and you've picked your champion, what I suggest you do is you head over to lolvvv.com, and from in here you're gonna type in your champion. So let's say randomly you chose Smolder and you're currently in the mid lane. You want to select mid lane and then choose Korea or EU West. Don't choose NA, just one of these two. So let's say you choose Korea, middle. From in here you can see all the pro Korean players who play Smolder in the mid lane. Now let's say this is from yesterday. Obviously you want to choose games that are pretty close to your date, so it's not outdated. So let's say you choose Showmaker, go in here, and then from in here you can see what he bought, his items, and the correct order. You can also see his runes and everything. So what you can do is come to Korea, find someone who has a full build, like here, check it, and see the correct order. Now obviously this is just a general idea, because if you're against full magic resist, full ability power team, obviously you would not go steel caps, but that's just how you can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.